Hi everyone, this is Tom again, and we're doing a little science demo again today, and the question we were asking is, can two different volumes of air produce the same amount of lift? And what we have in front of us are all the items we're going to use for the demo. We're going to go through that and then move right on to the fish tank. So, we've got a 4-quart pitcher, we've got a 2-quart pitcher, and a 1-quart cup. And what we used were these items as molds and produced these concrete blocks out of each one of those. As you can see, they fit nicely. Over here we have our bags of weights. This is just lead split shot in bags. We've got 5, 3, and 2-pound bags. We also have a little mat, rubber mat, to go in the bottom of the fish tank just to protect it from getting scratched up and cracked. Also got a couple of spacers that we'll use for some of these. And we've laid some of these out just to show that we're graduating to a larger size. So let me take all these items, move over to the fish tank, and we'll pick up the action in just a minute. Hi, we're back at the fish tank now to show you that two completely different volumes of air will create the same amount of lift. On this side, we've got just shy of 24 ounces to the mark there of air in this cup, and 2 pounds will just barely hold it down. If I filled that all the way to the mark, it would want to float off. On this side, we have about 4 ounces of air that you can see is in the top of that cup. We can do this with 1, but 4 lets you see that there is a complete air bubble all the way around and a large repulsive force here that you should be able to replicate this at home and feel that exact same force. And that is what the engineers and the scientists that were here over the weekend, before they saw this, they all voted that could not be done. And what we have shown with this is the two completely different volumes of air, in this case 6 to 1, and they create the same amount of lift. Now let's switch over to the larger demo and see what happens there. Alright, we've got our new demo set up in the fish tank again. This is our larger setups. This is the 2-quart side over here with about 3 ounces of air in the top. And you can get that down to 2 if you want to play with it, but I want to try to show that little bit of air in the top so the cup is not bottoming out, and hopefully that's evident. We've got a 3-pound weight and a 2-pound weight for a total of 5 on the 2-quart system. Over here we've got 2 5-pound weights for 10 pounds, and we've got that for our 1-gallon setup. And as it's rising, you can see we've got about 5 ounces of air in the top. Again, we could get that down to about 3, which is what we did over the weekend. And there we go. I think we're just about there, and hopefully you can still see that air gap across the top, and hopefully that's evident on the video. So in summary, for what we've shown today is that two completely different volumes of air will create the same amount of lift, and that experimentally we can show that we have got a 40 to 1 reduction in the amount of air required for lift. And hopefully all the engineers out there are nodding yes when I say, can we now agree that there is potential for pulling energy out of this new Travis effect? Thanks for watching the video, guys. Appreciate it. Good luck.